The ADM 38-inch Beginner Acoustic Guitar Bundle pairs a compact, classical body with a mix of nylon and steel strings that are gentle on young fingers, yet still project clearly. Its laminated basswood body with an arched back and a smooth maple-style fingerboard gives it a surprisingly rich, sustained tone for an entry-level instrument. Playability is friendly for children and students, with the shorter scale and slim neck making basic chords and first melodies easier to reach. The bundle is genuinely complete for new players, including a padded carrying bag, strap, tuner, picks, spare strings, and even beginner-friendly online lessons. Build quality is solid for a student guitar, so it feels sturdy enough to handle daily practice and trips to school without falling apart. After the initial break-in and a few retunings, the guitar tends to hold pitch reliably, which helps beginners focus more on learning than constantly adjusting the tuning.